Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care.
The beautiful Miyu Imai. Code JUR669. Released on March 24, 2026. And it has 140 minutes watch time. The story is about stepmom and her stepson. After his mother passed away, his father remarried to a beautiful lady. So one day, the guy got into an accident. So the guy cannot move around until 3 months of healing. So his stepmom helped him to ensure his fast recovery. Apparently, the guy cannot do his playtime. So the guy asked his stepmom for help. At first, the girl hesitated, but later on, she eventually agreed. However, the days goes by, things went out of control. They spent quality time together, and the wonderful story began.
Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.